Hello, my name is Willa. My channel is Willa at Home. Thanks for joining me today to hear of some exciting opportunities using mobile apps. For a lot of on-the-go individuals, bringing phones is easier than bringing a laptop. Of course, this depends on which country you're in. Some of these companies might offer you a regular source of income. Here is a list of online jobs that you can do using smartphones or mobile phones. 1. Voik. If you have call center experience for a minimum of 3 years and a native or fluent English speaker, then this gig is for you. Voik hires call center agents who can work from home. They pay 30 cents per minute of talk time. You can also control how much you get paid by logging more hours, and you can choose your own schedule. They also pay remote workers by way of PayPal. The app runs for both iOS and Android users. 2. NiceTalk. This app is built by China's first mobile English learning platform developed by Hangzhou Feiju Technology Company Limited. The concept is basically to talk with non-English speakers and let them practice English with you. There will be no provided lessons plan. They pay tutors by the minute, and according to the site, their rate is up to $10 an hour. They pay via PayPal, and you can withdraw money as long as you have a minimum $20 on your account. The app runs for both iOS and Android users. 3. Gigwalk. This mobile app helps you find quick gigs within your area. They post delivery jobs, product reviews, mystery shopping gigs, testing mobile apps, taking pictures, events, and other quick gigs. The rate varies depending on the task and the task duration. According to the website, gigs posted in the app pays between $3 to $100. You can run this app through iOS or Android. 4. PalFish. This app is similar to NiceTalk, where people are paid to talk to non-English speakers. However, you can set your own price and provide your own English lessons. There's no need to have any English teaching experience for this gig. You will get paid through PayPal twice a month. It both runs through iOS and Android phones. 5. Mentored. This platform runs through computer, tablet and mobile phone. It is basically a tutoring platform where you'll mentor students in various subjects, which includes math, sciences, English, etc. You will need to have a degree to qualify, or at least be a current college student. Applicants will also have to undergo training and exams to qualify. 6. NiceTalk. This app is built by China's first mobile English learning platform developed by Hangzhou Feiju Technology Company Limited. The concept is basically to talk with non-English speakers and let them practice English with you. There is no provided lessons plans with this company. They pay tutors by the minute, and according to the site, their rate is up to $10 for a full hour. They pay via PayPal, and you can withdraw money as long as you have a minimum $20 on your account. The app runs for both iOS and Android users. 7. iSoftStone. If you are tech-savvy, familiar with SEO or online advertising, you can try being a search engine evaluator, online ad evaluator, or a mobile app tester. iSoftStone has wide coverage and offer job listings worldwide. Rates vary depending on the country, and they provide between 10 to 25 hours per week. And it's an independent contractor position. 8. Clickworker. Clickworker is an online platform for tech-savvy people who are looking for quick online mobile jobs. The rate and duration vary from project to project. Projects include data survey, product reviews, research, photo editing, product descriptions, etc. Any nationality can join as long as they have PayPal and has a smartphone. Although the platform focuses on small jobs that can be done in few minutes or hours, it can be a good job to earn extra income. If you know of any online jobs using mobile phones, please tell us in the comment section below. If this is your first time visiting my channel, subscribe. Then click the bell to get notified of upcoming job opportunities. Click the thumbs up to like this video. Enjoy the rest of your day.